Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying account and hardware so fixes aren't wasted. Check your due account and that service is active. Next, power cycle modem and router. Unplug, wait 30 seconds, plug back in. This clears transient faults. Then, plug one device into Ethernet to confirm internet reachability. Once done, you'll know if the problem is Wi-Fi only. If wired works, keep the router on while you move to wireless settings. If it fails, contact due support with error LEDs noted. Now focus on wireless configuration. You should forget the network on your device and rejoin with the correct SSID and password to clear cached auth errors. Then, log into the router. Change the 4 GHz channel to 1, 6, or 11 to avoid nearby interference, and enable the 5 GHz band if devices support it for faster connections. Update the router firmware to fix known bugs, and make sure DHCP is enabled, so devices receive correct IP addresses automatically. Finish with advanced diagnostics. Update your device Wi-Fi drivers and confirm adapter settings. Power management can disable radios, so turn that off. If persistent, export and save your router config, then perform a factory reset to remove corrupt settings. Reapply the saved network details carefully. Once restored, test several devices and locations. If problems continue, run DO's diagnostic tools or contact support with LED status and firmware version. This helps technicians target network side faults quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.